Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus 1 multiplying by x plus 2 multiplying by x plus 3 multiplying by x plus 4. This is equal to 120. So what are the values of x? Let's provide a solution from here. We have x plus 1 multiplying by x plus 2 multiplying by x plus 3 multiplying by x plus 4. This is equal to 120. So the first step to do here, we multiply x plus 1 multiplying by x plus 4. Then we have x plus 2 multiplying by x plus 3. This is equal to 120. So we have x times x. This is x squared. Then x times 4. This is plus 4x. Then we have 1 times x. This is plus x. And then we have 1 times 4. This is plus 4. Close the parentheses. Then here we have x times x. This is x squared. Then x times 3. This is plus 3x. Then plus 2 times x. This is 2x. Then plus 2 times 3. This is 6. Close the parentheses. Then this is equal to 120. Now, here we have x squared. We have 4x plus x. This is plus 5x. Then plus 4. The other parenthesis here, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2x. This is 5x. Then plus 6. This is equal to 120. Now, we have here x squared plus 5x plus 4. This is x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now here, we have x squared plus 5x. So let's make the second parenthesis here the same as the first parenthesis here. So we can express this as x squared plus 5x. We can express 6 as plus 4 plus 2. This is equal to 120. So if you check here, this particular part and this particular part is the same. So we can let u to be equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4. So let's substitute u back to this equation here so that we have u multiplying by, here we have u plus 2. This is equal to 120. So this implies that u times u, this is u squared, then plus u times 2, this is 2u, this is equal to 120. So let's take 120 on the left hand side so that we have u squared plus 2u subtract 120. This is equal to 0. We can solve this. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Remember here we have the product is equal to minus 120. The sum here is equal to 2. So we can identify two factors such that if you multiply those two factors, we have a value of minus 120. If you say 12 times minus 10, this is minus 120. Then if you say 12 plus minus 10, this is equal to 2. So let's substitute these two factors so that we have u squared plus 12u, then subtract 10u minus 120. This is equal to 0. So from the first part here, we have that u is common, so we can factor out u so that we have u plus 12, then subtract. In the second part here, we have that 10 is common here, so we can factor out 10. Into the parentheses, we have u plus 12. This is equal to 0. So since u plus 12 is common here, we can factor out u plus 12. And then we have u minus 10. This is equal to 0. So we have two parts here. We have u plus 12. This is equal to 0. And here we have u minus 10. This is equal to 0. So we have that u1 is equal to minus 12, and we have that u2 is equal to 10. Now, if you recall, we are saying that let u be equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4. So we can start with u1 here. We have x squared plus 5x plus 4. This is equal to minus 12. So let's take minus 12 on the left hand side, so that we have x squared plus 5x plus 4, then plus 12. This is equal to 0. So again, we have x squared plus 5x plus 4 plus 12 here. This is equal to 16. Then this is equal to 0. So again, this is a quadratic equation here with a equal to 1, b equal to 5, and c equal to 16. So we can solve for x1, x2 by applying the quadratic formula here, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything here divided by 2 times a. Now let's substitute the values of a, b, and c, so that here we have minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 16. Everything here divided by 2 times 1. So this means we have minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared, this is 25, minus 16 times 4, which is 64. Everything here divided by 2. So this implies that we have minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 64. This is minus 39 divided by 2. Now we can express the square root of minus 39 as, so here we have, this is the same thing as 39 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. And this implies that we have x1, x2, this is minus 5 plus or minus the square root of minus 1, this is I, then we have square root of 39, everything here divided by 2. So this means that x1 is equal to minus 5 plus square root of 39i divided by 2. And we have that x2 is equal to minus 5 minus square root of 39i divided by 2. Now, these are two complex solutions. So let's proceed to, given that u2 is equal to 10. So let's proceed to solve for the other values of x. Now, given that u is equal to 10, let's substitute here. We have x squared plus 5x plus 4. This is equal to 10. Now, let's take 10 on the left-hand side, so that we have x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus 10. This is equal to 0. So this implies that we have x squared plus 5x. Then we have 4 minus 10. This is minus 6. Then this is equal to 0. So we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization here. We have the product here equal to minus 6. And now we have the sum equal to 5. So let's identify two factors. If you multiply those two factors, we need to get a value of minus 6. If you sum those two factors, we need to get a value of 5. So this means that we have 6 and minus 1. In this case, if you have 6 plus minus 1, this is 5. If you say 6 times minus 1, this is minus 6. So this means we have x squared plus 6x minus x minus 6. This is equal to 0. Now, from the first part here, X is common, so we can factor out X so that we have X plus 6. Then subtract. Here we have 1 is common, so we have X plus 6. This is equal to 0. So we have that X plus 6 is common, so we have X plus 6. And we have X minus 1. This is equal to 0. So we have two parts here. We have X plus 6. This is equal to 0. And we have X minus 1. This is equal to 0. And this implies that here we have X3. This is equal to minus 6. And here we have X4 is equal to 1. So in this case, we have 4 solutions for this algebra problem. We have here X1, X2, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 39 divided by 2. And we have X3, which is minus 6, and X4, which is 1. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.